Hey friend, it's Rachel with Survival of the Fatigued, and I have found so far 20 total conditions that can look almost identical to MECFS, and many are treatable when caught. In today's video, we cover the first 5 of 20 lookalikes to MECFS. Let's get started. So the first one is myasthenia gravis. Gravis? MG. Now, the thing about myasthenia gravis is it hits hard with muscle exhaustion and weakness. It often starts in more your eyes and your face. Think like droopy, baggy eyelids, but for whatever reason perks up with ice or cold. When you get really tired, you get double vision while you're reading. Or sometimes when you're really tired, you even have trouble swallowing. Sound familiar? Yeah, it did to me too. It mimics severe MECFS like a pro. So for this, you want to get tested with a blood workup, specifically looking for acetylcholine receptor, AChR, or MuSK antibodies. By the way, guys, if you're like, oh my gosh, finally someone freaking made this, then pretty please pay me back by liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing it with other spoonies. Number 2, lupus. So lupus flares can feel a lot like MECFS crashes. Joint pain, muscle pain, chest pain when you breathe deeply, headaches, rashes like that classic butterfly rash across your face, fever, extreme fatigue. Again, all sounds completely familiar. To test for lupus, you want to get the blood tests specifically like ANA and anti-DS DNA can confirm that you have lupus or not. Also, if anyone in your family has it, that's also a big warning sign. Oh, my back! My back's killing me. My back. If I seem perky, it's because I'm in a lot of pain, guys, and on a lot of sugar. Number 3, ankylosing spondylitis. This, also known as AS, brings spine inflammation with lower back and hip pain, which for some reason is worse after resting, plus stiffness, reduced motion, joint pain, severe fatigue, eye redness, light sensitivity, chest stiffness, brain fog, sometimes fevers. Again, sound familiar? This one can be checked with a physical exam plus blood tests specifically for inflammatory markers. And for some reason, it also mentioned that X-rays and MRI can diagnose it. Is the brain fog hitting? Pause if you need to. Take a little break and comment a smiley face below. Number 4, MS, multiple sclerosis. MS can look like MECFS with fatigue that's way out of proportion. Stumbling, pins and needles feelings, numbness, slowed thinking, vision issues, sudden sharp pains that they call MS zingers. You might also drop things a lot or struggle kind of to lift with your hands. For MS, the potential tests you could do are an MRI, a spinal tap, and sometimes what is something called evoked potential tests in multiple sclerosis are non-invasive, painless procedures that measure electrical activity in the parts of the brain in response to sensory stimuli such as light, sound, and touch. Well, we learned something. So I did rate all this correctly. Good. The brain fog makes me worry about that sometimes. Number 5, Sjogren's disease. Sjogren's is an autoimmune disease mostly attacking your moisture glands, dry eyes, dry mouth, dry skin, joint pain, fatigue, brain fog. So if you especially have a lot of the dry symptoms, then make sure you get blood tests looking for autoantibodies or a salivary gland biopsy to confirm. And no, hydration does not fix Sjogren's. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I really hope something resonates or gives you next steps with you and your doctor. Part 2 covers conditions 6 through 10. When it's up, it'll be right here. And don't forget, add this video and the next ones as they drop to your MECFS playlist to watch later. That way you won't lose them. Like, subscribe, and keep on surviving, my friends. See you in the next part.